How to make 8D audio on CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you the easy way to make 8D audio on CapCut. So without any much ado, let's dive right into the video, and before that, subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch CapCut on your PC or mobile. Click on Import to import the audio from your file manager. Click on the audio, click on the open button. Now click on this plus button to add to your timeline or track. So before making any changes, let me split this so that later we can know the changes made in this video. Once you have done that, you need to select the audio so that you can make it 80. Once you have done that, the settings bar will open at the top right corner of the screen. You simply need to click on Voice Changer from this tab. Here you got the three options, that is voice filters, voice characters, and speech to songs. Here we need voice filters, so click on voice filters and download Mic Hog. You need to click on Mic Hog and you can easily size this as well, change the strength as well. And after that, you can easily listen the changes on this audio. So let's begin. So that's it. That's how we can easily make 8D audio on CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.